Lights on, we're ready, feel the sound. Future starts right here, right now. Ideas are rising, breaking through. This is the moment, this is the move. Hands up, together we stand. Building tomorrow with our own hands. No limits, no fear, crystal clear. World class innovators born here. Does she fall in love with a pill that can take away all her pain? Yeah. Does she fall in love with a whole new drug that can feel her veins? And then she said she lives in the sky tonight. She's satisfied, rolling back.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Saya Tuan Aryani Najam binti Tuan Marzuki, Ketua Kumpulan untuk Inovasi kali ini dari program Bakery dan Pastry College Vocational Kuala Berang.
Assalamualaikum. Saya Encik Muhammad Izzat bin Ramli, pensyarah program Bakery dan Pastry College Vocational Kuala Berang, merangkap penasihat produk inovasi pelajar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Ummu Maira binti Muhammad Fairuz dari program Bakery dan Pastry dari College Vocational Kuala Berang.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Nurul Aisyah binti Warna. Saya dari kos Bakery and Pastry dari College Vocational Kuala Berang.
Saya Raja Batisha Jasmine binti Raja Asli dari program Bakery dan Pastry dari College Vocational Kuala Berang.
Tadi saya dah try makan butter cookies brokoli ini. Rasa dia sangat sedap dan unik. Tekstur cebisan brokoli ini sangat menarik dan tidak pelik langsung.